I'm Alan Chan. I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company, and I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on how to make non-visible game objects in Unity. And so, for example of why you have to make it non-visible sometimes, is that you want to, assume you hit the collision, then you count the point number. Then you count the point number. Then you destroy them sometimes. If soon you hit the collision, don't destroy right away, or else you cannot count in the point part inside. I mean, save the point inside or something. Yeah, but sometimes you don't have to have this if you can just do this right away. But do not put the button because the fixed it update might not works. What does not works because yeah, the fixed state update might not doesn't work. It means such as like say like doing the two um it's more like the two instant starting variables at the same time will not always work. Like saving two variables at the same time we might crash with the same naming convention and stuff like those. There's something similar as those, but you don't have to really have to put this all the time unless you just do this well off the bat. But let's take one more example how to count the points. So, and for the collision, hit collision, you're always supposed to add the 3D game object instead of the text one, which I already done in my race game and it worked. But I already tested with button and the text concept. It does not really work because the button is does not have the instant like verbal working for visibility only. But it had to be more like a 3D object instead of a text, so you can hit the collision and then make this non-visible or not. But for me, I'm not going to do either both of them because the 3D collision might take a bit too long in a YouTube video. I can maybe show you an example what it might looks like with collision. Well, I'm just going to use 3D option stuff and not going to use text on buttons and stuff because of that fixed it update does not really work in Unity, it seems like. Except for maybe Unreal Engine, that's what I believe it may looks like. So I'm create, not UI, create 3D object, cube, create script, um, visible, sorry, uh, um, so maybe click this game object get, get component. So use renderer. You can also you shouldn't use set active. If you set active to false, then you cannot save the variable. Uh, this to tell you, but you can set active to false. Can also make it renderer invisible. But you have to remember that I cannot do anything with it set to act set active to false. Uh, so this is it, I guess. So yeah. Well, maybe show you a little bit of a concept how collision works. So when I see play, it will make it invisible. Assuming Yeah, that's because it's false and true. It will be true. I think it stays down here. But if you use a text instead, it will not work because it's not like this coding variable does not really work for renderer. So that's why I shouldn't use button on how to make something invisible instead, because to fix the update like this tiny thing, like I think it's supposed to call this one instead. Fix the update will not work. Um, then well for the if we have the collision thing, this this for example, I'm just not going to save the script as like this. Maybe should name this as if this game object, the cube, hits on transform local position dot x or something, and then give that to width and height distance, like something like this, float. Then maybe put in the thing as ship um yeah, it's pretty long story. Yeah, like something like this or something. Yeah, I don't want. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it because it's too long. Unless I show off my codes directly from my game file. But yeah, so as soon you hit that collision, hit ship, then maybe destroy the rock or the coin as a video game already made. Yeah, and yeah, don't always set active to false, else cannot save it or count it. The point number. So I think that is basically it. So yeah, this is the coding line. Just remember this is the most important one. Remember, never use the non-visible object with the button or text with this code line. Because the button if and else statement, because you're not really supposed to make the button invisible. We'll have to convert the true and false statement to the other one, like this object, to make it invisible or not. The cube or text to make it invisible or not. It might does not really transfer because I have to fix the update mainly problem. This one, yeah, the main problem with capital F. Yeah, that's the main issue that so far I already noticed it. Yeah, the fixed update doesn't really know how it works. Doesn't really work properly unless I don't know how to use it. But I'm pretty sure fixed update does not really work properly in Unity already. Yeah, like, unless Unreal Engine, which I didn't use Unreal Engine on fixed update concept, but it may looks like it worked because I did with Unreal Engine a little bit and it seems like it looks more legit. Yeah. So yeah, thank you.